GlobalFoundries is one of the biggest silicon foundries in the world, and its biggest European semiconductor facility is located in Dresden, Germany. GlobalFoundries offers a broad variety of semiconductor technologies, with nodes from 55 to 22 nanometer. Producing in high volume means excellent repeatability and high quality. This implies a continuous monitoring of materials and tools involved in the manufacturing process. One of the possible solutions here is to apply methods of artificial intelligence to improve the monitoring accuracy. As part of the Digital Product Factory, a 3-month co-innovation sprint orchestrated by the Dresden Smart Systems Hub, a dedicated team from GlobalFoundries, together with partners from Infineon, CodeRitter, Sensory and T-Systems MMS took the challenge to solve a very specific monitoring problem in our facility. In addition to clean rooms, chip production also requires the use of ultra-pure water. At critical points, the control valves for ultra-pure water supply are to be monitored more closely. Detecting defects before they occur helps prevent violations of technical specifications and failures. For this purpose, various parameters such as vibration and noise patterns are to be monitored. This allows a quick assessment of the security of supply and the health condition of critical components. The solution is to provide an AI-based model that can be used as a basis for deviations of the valves from the normal state and thus for failure prediction. A microphone sensor from semiconductor manufacturer Infineon and the edge hardware from the sensor technology specialist Sensory, based on GlobalFoundries 22FDX technology, are used for this. The data thus obtained is pre-processed by machine learning algorithms developed jointly with CodeRitter, an IoT startup from Dresden. The data are transferred to the cloud using the Cloud Shop Floor Intelligence platform from T-Systems MMS. The data and assessments collected during the process will be made available to the user on dashboards in an intuitive mobile application.
Hello, Alexander. Please tell us something about the project and the solution.
The challenging part is the team had really to start from scratch, right? So we had to start from data ingestion and communication based on the device itself. We had the full communication stack from the plant area to the cloud. We had a team working on the AI model based on the recorded signals we had to train a model that we used later on. And finally, we had to create a mobile application to display all the data and the results of the model. We are in specific plans with the partners we got to know in the DPF. So it's only the beginning. It's not only a short success story we had here. As we think of this as the beginning of a longer journey we want to go together. So we have specific plans, as I said, to roll out to other valves in the UPW plant, as well as to identify new use cases where we can use the Ganymede platform for smart sensoring and predictive maintenance.
So what did the responsible engineers think of the project results?
So here the Smart Systems Hub did a very great job to build a team to deliver all of the skills for the specific tasks of that project. And not only the skills, the team was very self-organized, highly motivated, and very committed to the project. So for our GlobalFoundries engineers, it was a pleasure to work with them, to support the team, without having to put too much effort and time into pushing things forward.